Hey, welcome everyone. This is our first video from our ukulele lessons in Guitarra Popular series. Today we're gonna see the lesson number 1, and also we are going to cover 4 topics, which are parts of ukulele, strings, correct position, and the last one will be some practice to warming up before to play any song. Well, the first thing that we have to know is that ukulele is not a small guitar. It's a totally different instrument. I am going to show you the parts of the ukulele first of all.
Nut, sound hole, headstock, bridge, body of the uke, saddle, nut.
Well, now that we have covered our ukulele parts, we are going to continue with the tuning of our instrument. We have 4 strings, and we have to know that this is the first string, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. This is the A string, E string, C string, and the G string. Remember the name of each string because we are going to use it on our next lessons. Next topic that we need to cover on this video is our hands. For example, the right hand has 2 types of moves or 2 types of uses in our instrument. The first use is to play string by string, one by one, for example, or also you can play this position, all the strings together. Then we are going to continue with the left hand, which the name of the fingers are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go back a little bit to our parts of the ukulele. Remember the fret space right here? Well, we're gonna use the first 4 fret spaces with our 4 fingers. So we have finger number 1 on the first fret space, the second finger on the second one, third on the third, and 4 on the fourth. Knowing this, now we are going to start our practice playing string by string, fret space by fret space, okay? So the first one will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you have to go back 4, 3, 2, 1. You can just do it putting your finger after the last one, or you can do it one by one, like in this example. Then you have to go back from the fourth to the first one. And this exercise you have to cover all the 4 strings, okay? And I'm gonna use some speed on this video, okay? Now, once you finish the first 4 fret spaces, you have to jump to the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th fret. And the last part is from the 9th to the 12th. Then we have to continue with the left hand, and it's pretty easy to remember because the fingers of our left hand are 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very simple. And those fingers you have to put it on the first frets 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the correct position to take your instrument is just like this. You have to put your instrument, because this is a soprano ukulele, so it's very small, you have to put it on your chest. You will be able to see your frets and also your right hand. So put these 4 fingers on the lower part of the ukulele, and then you can play string by string with the thumb finger. Alright, so this was the lesson number 1 of our ukulele lesson. Remember to practice each exercise at least 10 minutes each one, and memorize all the parts of the ukulele and also our fingers' name and functions of our hands. Once you have all that memorized, we can continue with the lesson number 2. So this was Guitarra Popular series, and my name is Esteban. Thank you so much for watching.